Welcome to this Nespresso User's Guide video on Aguila Recipes. The versatility of your professional Aguila machine with its state-of-the-art technology allows you to offer a range of luxuriant recipes in your establishment to help attract new business while retaining current volumes. It has never been more comfortable to deal with high volumes on a sophisticated level, Grand Cru after Grand Cru. This short video will show the preparation of 4 of our Nespresso Aguila recipes. Discover, for example, our delicious almond coffee, where espresso and hot milk find expression in an enjoyable almond tart dessert. You simply need 1 capsule of espresso leggero, almond syrup, whipped cream and roasted almonds. Take a Lungo cup and pour in 5 milliliters of almond syrup. Now prepare your Grand Cru espresso and add hot milk. Of course, at the touch of a button with your Aguila machine. To decorate, you can top with whipped cream and a pinch of roast almonds. And ready is your new variation of Nespresso recipe. The Choco Cookie Macchiato allows you to indulge in a sinfully scrumptious iced macchiato, whose biscuit, chocolatey flavour will have you dreaming of milk and cookies with every sip. All you need is 1 capsule of ristretto, chocolate cookie syrup, chocolate cream and a mini cookie to decorate. In a recipe glass, mix the chocolate cookie syrup and the chocolate cream. Then pour in a latte macchiato using the appropriate Aguila button. To decorate, add some cookie crumbles. Now you can enjoy your Choco Cookie Macchiato. Revel in the sweet tastes of summer and discover our iced raspberry macchiato. You need 1 capsule of ristretto or espresso decaffeinato, raspberry syrup and crushed ice. First, pour the required amount of raspberry syrup into a large recipe glass. Add 200 milliliters of crushed ice. Then press the iced macchiato button and serve. Now you can discover the marriage of intense espresso aroma with ice-cold milk and juicy raspberry. Are you ready for the fresh presso experience? You need 1 capsule of ristretto, sugar cane, fresh orange juice, vanilla syrup and extract, plus some ice. Pour the fresh orange juice, the vanilla syrup and 1 ice cube into the first shaker and shake. Then pour this mixture into a recipe glass with some crushed ice. Into the second shaker you prepare 1 ristretto and add the vanilla extract, sugar and again 1 ice cube and shake again. Now, gently and slowly pour the contents of the second shaker into the recipe glass on top of the first mixture. Use a spoon to pour the liquid and retain any froth in the shaker. To finish your fresh presso, you can decorate with a slice of orange and the vanilla pod. Delight your customers with our variety of simple and delicious Aguila recipes.